Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the motion tracking feature on the CapCut PC app. So it is more inaccurate if you do it this way. It's better if you do it manually. I have the tutorial on this channel, and I'm just going to show you guys it because it is more practical than the other one. So you're going to just add your video to the track, and you're just going to copy and paste it on top of each other. So on the second video, the one on top, you're going to go to animation. You're going to go to tracking, and then you're going to select motion tracking. I'm just going to go to the first frame, and then I'm going to make sure the square is like on her face or just like on her body, and I'm just going to adjust it like that. Select both, and you can also select scale and distance. I'm just going to enable these because it's going to kind of zoom in, or else you'll have like these weird stuff on the like left or right. So just make sure you enable both. You can also select the direction, but I'm just going to choose this for my setting. Select start on your CapCut and wait for it to track. And as you can see, it sort of tracks the object, but it is pretty inaccurate, and it scales in the video a lot rather than you doing it yourself. So just wait for the video to track. It takes a long time. As you can see, look, there's like these gaps, but it's because it's inaccurate, and it's better if you do it yourself. So this is what it looks like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you've found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!